up, guys? It's your boy James Riley. Wanted to make another quick video talking about my favorite window cleaning pulls, which is the Ettore brand, and I'm going to show you. Here's a couple. These are two of my pulls. I got this gun rack at Walmart. I was like, wow, that fits there. It wasn't planned to fit these, but I was thinking maybe I could hang some stuff or towels to dry. I could still do that and other things. But anyways, this is my 2-4 and this is my 9-footer. I use these two regularly. Just like Kevin and Jacob, I use this one mostly on storefronts that are they're taller, but I don't need something really big, you know. This makes it easy. I also use these inside residential homes, so I don't have to climb on their kitchen counters or something. Just 0 degree and a pull to clean those. Anyways, I'm going to show you my other one, and I'm going to show you what they're all about and how they're different. Alright, so here we go. My Ettore pulls. These are the Reach. These are not the, these are the Reach. What's the other one? Interlock. So these have collars on the outside versus the inside. This bad boy right here is a 24-footer, 3-section. You got 1, 2, 3 sections. I love this one. We use this one on some commercial type stuff. We do get this on some residential, and I know a lot of guys, they're like, oh no, you can't pull residential with having good results on first cleans. Well, I'm here to tell you, James can. So, I don't know what you guys are doing, but I can. I can use steel wool, mop pads, squeegee, 24 feet high in the air. Haven't had any problems with it. Now that's, you know, would I do that on a post-construction? No. Have I? Yes. I have done it, and it was pretty freaking successful. You know, you just got to make sure you got a new blade, steel wool those windows on construction, and it also depends on a lot of how the builder, you know, did the windows. If they got concrete and mortar and silicone and all that crap on it, then it's not going to happen. But if it's just kind of dirty but new windows and they were, you know, did a good job, it should be all right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. This is where the magic happens, guys. Got a TV up there to watch our Broncos. Everybody knows John Elway, the homie. And then, you know, it's a little area. I got a fridge in there for beer and shit. Anyways, let's see if we can prop this phone up so that I can kind of give you a show on what I do, or what the difference is between the two. Alright, so this is the difference between a professional pull. These just come out, they lock, they come back. You do not want to over tighten this. Just a little hand tight. That's it. That's it. You sit there and crank it, you break the collar, right? But the good thing is, and a lot of you guys are buying things from Lowe's or Home Depot, the Unger brands at Home Depot. Lowe's has Ettore. Those are still amazing pulls, but you cannot change out all these little bits and pieces. That's what really sucks. That's why you want to go with a professional grade pull, in my opinion. And these Ettore ones are as tough as nails, dude. I shit you not. They're just super. That 24-footer, man, is not for the faint of heart. That is a tough pull. It is heavy. And, you know, but these ones, and that 9-footer, and all the other ones that I've tried, you know, they're good, man. I mean, this is solid. My Home Depot one already bent. But the main difference is with these is all the parts are, you know, you can work on these. You bust these, and I have a bunch of different tips of these, and they only cost a couple bucks. They come right out. Boom. You know, You got a spring in there. Not sure if you can see that, but that metal piece in there, that's from these. That's from these pieces. You can replace this. You can replace these. You can replace this. Sometimes I don't even put them on. It just depends. They go on. Boom. Now, these parts, replaceable. The collars are replaceable. When you break them, they can be replaced if you break them. But you should not break them. And they are like this. They come like this. They have a little piece like that. Makes it so that you can get it in and out of these grooves, because this in itself is replaceable. Now, you put your collar back on. You don't tighten it all the way. Just do this. Then, you probably can't even see. Then you stick this back in. Boom. But if this is all the way tightened and you try to take it out, this one doesn't come out. So you have to loosen it, pull it, it comes out. They've put some tape in there or whatever to make it stay in there a little bit tighter. Anyways, that's the Pro Series. These are the Pro Series Ettore pulls. They're the cat's meow, the best. You know, the Lowe's ones are good too. Don't get me wrong. Everything from Lowe's, you know, if you're starting out, is a good price. And I mean, you can't worry, you know, but the thing is when you're paying, you know, 20, 30 bucks for a pull, this is what's going to happen. And this is not replaceable. None of this is. And this is just like, but these bad boys here, man, like I said, this is replace, you're good. Everything on these. So in the long run, you're saving a lot more money. Anyway, you guys, take it easy. This is James. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. Like the video. Tell me what your favorite pull is, or if you already own one of these and you love the Ettore brand. Bye.